you. Hello, investor. Welcome. Welcome everyone to my life. Okay, now today I will continue to use some wire and some chain, some natural stone beads and some natural beads to make necklace and to make a ring. Yeah, welcome everyone to my life. Happy to see you. Okay, now the first I want to use this wire and this natural pro to make the simple ring. Okay, then welcome everyone to my life. Happy to see you. Now the first you need to cut this wire. Okay, then get this and straighten it. Okay, then fold it in half. Okay. Then price now. If this is the first time looking my live stream, don't forget to follow me. Thank you. In the daily life, I can to use the different materials to show you how to make the different jewelry design. If you're interested, you can follow me and help me double tap the green. Thank you. Okay, now to get this circle, then you need to use the natural pro to put in this middle of this wire. Put this, then change the wire, use this size 0.4 millimeter. Okay, one by one. Now get okay, then cut this wire about 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Now cut. Thank you your follow, dear. Okay, now next you need to throw this and to wrap price. Okay, then price this wire and through now one by one. Wait for a moment. I forgot to put through these beads. Now, okay, they put and thank you your gift, Shasha. Thank you, my dear. Now I just use the wire and use these natural pro beads to make the simple ring. If you're interested, you can use the materials to give it a try. Okay, then price. Don't forget to price this wire now. Then again 4 loops. 4 loops. They cut. Okay, now to cut this size wire and price. Okay. Welcome everyone to my life. Now the next process. You just need to through this. Use your finger to hold these beads and to wrap. Okay, now wrap 2 and 3. Now price, price and then Yeah, anyone, if you're interested in this wire, when I finish this design, I can to show you the copper wire, and you can use the wire to make a ring and the earring or necklace, no problem. Okay, then you can see. So, now get this, yeah, use this wire to fix in this the natural pro in this wire. Then next, okay, just to wrap, combined together the two wire in this, they wrap and wrap. Don't forget to price this wire and keep orderly. Now, welcome to my life. Happy to see you. Welcome everyone to my life. Okay, they get this. Now next, to wrap and wrap. Yeah. Now you can change the color of these beads, no problem. Today I just to use the Nature Pro beads to make some because I often use the Q beads, the zirconium beads to make rings. So today I just change the color to get a new design. You don't have this Pro, you can change the beads to use the Q bead, the zirconium beads or the nature stone beads, no problem. Okay, they wrap. I think this process to wrap around this wire is so relaxed and so exciting to make. Yeah, and easy to make this process. You can see it look like orderly and clearly, right? Okay, now next. Get this. Welcome to my life. Okay. Price. Now. Hello dear. The small size is 0.4. Yes, my dear. Yeah, this size is 0.4. The big size 1 millimeter. Yeah, making this ring, you just need to use two size. Yeah, the one size is 1 millimeter and the second size, the small size is 0.4. Thank you gift. Okay, now price. Get this. Yeah, one finger to price this. Yeah, the Pro and the other just to wrap. Now, yeah, wrap and wrap. Then to price. Yeah, to price, and you can, if you found this, this wire no orderly, you can price. Yeah. Now. Can I clear the size? Let me check. Yeah, let me check this size. This size is 5 millimeter. Let me check. 这个5毫米的珍珠有吗？什么？这个珍珠有吗？5毫米的。 In brush, let me check. Maybe we have this. Yeah, when I finish this design, I can to show you. Okay, get. Price and wrap. Bead size. The bead size is 5mm, my dear. Yeah, 5mm. And I think you can use the 4mm. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, get this. Yeah. Thank you. Welcome everyone to my life. Okay. Then let me check the size. Oh. Yeah, we have this Nature Pro, but just this Glass Pro. Sorry. Yeah. The price is $4. Just 3 piece. Anyone, if you like, you can get. Yeah, this price is $4. Now, if you want to make this design, you can get this. Okay, I will pack for you. Okay. Now, if you are a new customer, this is the first time looking my live stream, and you want to get the beads or get the wire, when I finish this design, I can to introduce for you one by one. Yeah. If you want to get the materials, the first you can tap 100, open the box in my life. Okay. Now, and the over chain and over jewelry materials is stainless steel and 18K gold plating, recommend plating, no tarnish, so you don't worry. Okay. Get this. Okay, price. Yeah, it's look like oddly and clearly now. Hello, Momoni, welcome. Happy to see you. Okay, you can get this now. Next, yeah. Next, you just need to cut this excess wire and keep 1 centimeter. Now, keep 1 centimeter. This, they cut. Okay, now the other side keep 1.5 centimeter. Yeah. Now get this. Then just to wrap. Okay. Now to wrap and wrap. Now this and okay. Then you can get this just to use the wooden stick to choose the size you can make this ring. Now This size a little small. Yeah, just a 6. You can see. Yeah, just a 6. Hi, my dear, welcome. Happy to see you. Okay, now you can see this. You can change the color, no problem. I just to use the glass pro to make, but you can change now this and I remember I used the other